Today we will learn about the area of triangle. A polygon made up of 3 sides is called a triangle. Let us understand the area of triangle with an interesting activity. Take a paper. Draw a triangle on it. We have drawn a triangle with sides 5 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. Cut this triangle from paper. Draw a triangle on paper which is congruent to this triangle. That is, draw another triangle whose sides are of length 5 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. Cut this as well. We see that under a correspondence, the two triangles completely cover each other. Therefore, we can say that the area of these two triangles is equal. Generally, the area of all congruent triangles is equal. Can you tell me how we will find the area of triangles? Think. Let me explain you. We will place both pieces of congruent triangles together in such a way that a pair of their corresponding sides is joined. You can do it in this way, or this way. By doing this, you will get a quadrilateral. Which type of quadrilateral is this? Think. The opposite sides of this quadrilateral are parallel and equal. Therefore, this is a parallelogram. In the previous video, we learned that the area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height, where base is one side of the parallelogram and height is perpendicular dropped on that side from the opposite vertex of a parallelogram. Since the parallelogram is made up of two congruent triangles, therefore, the area of the parallelogram will be equal to the sum of the areas of two congruent triangles. Since the area of both triangles is equal, so we can say that area of parallelogram is 2 multiplied by area of triangle, that is, area of triangle will be the half of area of parallelogram. In this way, the area of each triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height, in which base is one side of the triangle and height is the length of perpendicular dropped on that side from the opposite vertex. On measuring, you will find that this height is 4 cm. Since the length is 6 cm and the height is 4 cm, so the area of each triangle is equal to half multiplied by 6 cm multiplied by 4 cm is equal to 12 square centimeter. If we consider the base of the triangle as B and the height as H, then we can say that the area of the triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height, or half BH. Now look here, two triangles are shown here. Can you find the area of these triangles? Try it. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 420 square centimeter. Similarly, the area of triangle XYZ is also equal to 420 square centimeter. Here, the area of both triangles is equal. Can we say that they are congruent? Think. Absolutely right. They are not congruent because their measurements are different and they do not cover each other completely. In short, if two triangles are congruent, then their area must be equal. But it is not necessary that triangles equal in area are congruent. So, now you must have understood the area of the triangle. So today we have learned about area of triangle. In the next video, we will see some examples related to the area of triangle.